Hey my people, I wanted to make a quick video for you to show you how to make your name, brailing your name, mirrored and backwards. So I have filled out a sheet just like you with my name in it. I've got a capital at the beginning to designate that the first letter should be capitalized. Also did that with my last name, and it's written, traditionally in the way that we normally read, from left to right, okay? If I need to make this mirrored and backwards, I'm going to need to start on the opposite side. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to start with the first letter of my name, put the capital, and work my way this way. So let me show you what I mean. I've got my sheet of paper. Normally I write from left to right, but from now I'm going to write from right to left, okay? I put my capital just like I did before, the first letter of my name, right, for Rachel, A-C-H-E-L. So I'm just traveling backwards, okay? That's how you're going to accomplish the backwards part. Now we're going to have to look at how to do the mirrored part of your name, okay? When I look at the traditional way I've done it, and I look at the first cells that we filled in for this Braille letter for capital, I notice that it's on the 6th cell down here. So it's on the bottom right-hand side. If I'm gonna mirror this cell, I'm gonna have to pretend like it's flipped, right? So instead of it being in the bottom right cell in number 6, it's gonna be in the bottom left cell to mirror that as if it were in a mirror. Does that make sense? So it's gonna look like this. I'm filling it in right now. Instead of the bottom right, it's gonna be the bottom left. And there we go. So there's my mirrored and backwards capital Braille letter, okay? Now I've got to do the same thing for my letter R, okay? So all 3 of these are filled in on the left-hand side. I'm going to have to flip those 3 to the right-hand side. And then this 1 dot in the center on the right-hand side, I'm going to have to flip that to the left-hand side. So let me do that on my mirrored and backwards. Hold on. So instead of the right, I'm putting it on the left. And my single dot by itself, instead of the, left, I'm putting it on the right. There we go, we got it. So here's my R the way it's supposed to be. And here's my R when it is mirrored and backwards. That way, when we braille it with the stylus and the slate and stylus, you're going to have the dots turn out the right way when you flip the paper back over. Hope this helps a little bit with your mirrored and backwards. Just remember, write the word instead of from the left to the right, write it from the right to the left, and then just start spelling it backward. Like spell it like you normally would, but write the letters in the opposite order. So capital R-A-C-H-E-L, okay? Hope this helps you a little bit. It's gonna come, guys, I promise.